Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. How are you? I hope you are well. I am also fine. Dear learners, I hope you are watching online classes and progressing your lessons. Dear learners, in this present situation, and online class is the best way to complete your lessons. Welcome to online class again. I am Jahidul Haq, Assistant Teacher English, Badruat High School, Golachipia, Putuakhali. Dear learners, I shall take English grammar class for class 10. Dear learners, I have appeared before you with an important topic. Today's topic is punctuation mark. Dear learners, why should we learn punctuation mark? Listen. Punctuation mark is the name of marks which are used in writing. They indicate pause and expression in written text. They show a reader where a sentence starts and ends, and using punctuation marks in a sentence makes meaning of a sentence clear and understandable. On the other hand, if the punctuation marks are not used properly in the sentences, meaning will will not be clear and understandable. Dear learners, now you are going to learn the name of punctuation marks, and I have written some common used punctuation marks on the board. This mark is full stop. This mark is comma. This mark is semicolon. This mark is colon. This mark is question mark. This mark is exclamation mark. This mark is inverted comma. This mark is apostrophe. This mark is hyphen. This mark is bracket. This mark is dash. Dear learners, and let us learn some rules of using punctuation marks. First of all, I want to mention the use of full stop. Dear learners, full stop represents longest pause. Dear learners, full stop is used at the end of assertive, imperative, optative sentence. Let's see examples. Dear learners, Asad reads a book, assertive sentence. Open the door, imperative sentence. May you be happy, optative sentence. Full stop is used at the end of these sentences. Dear learners, to indicate abbreviation, full stop is used to indicate abbreviations. MBBS, M full stop, B full stop, B full stop, S full stop. BA, B full stop, A full stop. Dear learners, now we will learn use of comma. Comma represents the shortest pause. Comma is used to separate comma is used to separate words in same class. Let's see examples. Karim, Rohim and Habib are friends. Karim, Rohim and Habib are noun. And to separate the nouns, an comma is used where last two words are connected by and. Comma is used to indicate vocative case. Let's see example. Boys, come here. Here, what is vocative case? Noun or pronoun are used to address a person directly is called vocative case. Here, boys have been addressed here. It is vocative case. Comma is used to separate adverbial clause. Let's see example. If it rains, we shall not go out. Dear learners, if it rains, we shall not go out. Adverbial clause usually starts with conjunction. If, when, sayings as because, and it is subordinate clause, and it is principal clause. And to separate the adverbial clause, comma is used here. Dear learners, now you are going to learn use of semicolon. Dear learners, semicolon is used between coordinating conjunction without but or an and. Usually we make compound sentence by using such conjunctions. But instead of coordinating conjunction, we use semicolon in this compound sentence. Dear learners, use of colon. To identify speaker and speech in dialogue. Hassan, how are you? Karim, I am fine. Dear learners, colon is used to identify speaker and listen in dialogue. Hassan, how are you? Hassan is speaker and how are you speech. Karim is speaker, I am fine speech. Dear learners, use of question mark. The question which asks direct question is called interrogative sentence. Let's see example. How are you? What are you doing? Interrogative question mark is used at the end of interrogative sentence. Use of exclamation mark. Dear learners, now and you will learn use of exclamation mark. The sentence which express sudden feelings, joy, sorrow, surprise. Exclamation mark is used at the end of exclamatory sentence. Let's see example. How fine the pen is. Exclamation mark is used at the end of exclamatory sentence. Alas, he lost money. Exclamation mark is used after interjection word. Use of inverted comma. Inverted comma is used in direct speech. Rohim said, I am well. This is direct speech. Rohim is speaker. I am well. Speech. Direct speech. The direct speech is enclosed by inverted comma. Use of apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to form possessive case. Let's see example. This is Rohim pen. Apostrophe is used here to make possessive case. To indicate the omission of letter. Do not, don't, cannot, can't. Apostrophe is used to indicate the omission of letter. Do not, don't, cannot, can't. Apostrophe is used here to omit the letter. Dear listener, I hope you have learned the rules of using punctuation marks and practice them at home what I have discussed in this session. Dear learners, take care of your health, stay home, stay safe. Thanks to all. Allah Hafiz.